Welcome back. Welcome back, good people. Welcome back. This is your good brother, your host, Imamu Atumre, otherwise known as D Brown. And I'm back again, taking this opportunity on this Good Friday to plug the university, plug the Discord, and also maybe explain this small setup, quick hit type kind of trade that I'm in right now. Today is Friday. Fridays we usually don't trade, but when we do see setups, when we do see a couple of things, we try to take advantage of it. And real quick, because things are moving, and I think I want to lock in a couple of pieces of profits. But real quick lesson. We seen on this bullish run on the Euro Aussie. I am on the 1 minute right now. That a little selling was coming in on the top. They got a little interested on these higher prices, the sellers, and it did kind of bang down a little bit. Not much. They didn't break any lower lows or whatnot. But when the bulls tried to or attempt to make another higher high, we see that they was fairly felling out until they got up into this area, and they did make a higher high. But to us, this is an illusion of a higher high. These are our top traders. You learn these things on the level 1 course at the K.T.G University. And with that, knowing that, or getting a sense that these traders are trapped as far as being buyers, we are thinking that the sellers are taking the opportunity to maybe knock the price down a little bit lower than what it is. And so us being remorse, our K.T.G mascot, we are latching on to these sellers making their way down. And going to our MT4, you can see Euro Aussie. We are in that trade. We're making our way down. Profit takings are $361, 43 pips. We have at risk right now $214 at risk. What I'm going to do is go ahead and minimize that risk as the market continues to make its way down. So as I shave off some of that risk, some of that heart attack, we went from 200 plus to 75.55, $75.55 at risk. So this is not jump out of a window type of money. If I lose, to jump out of a window or anything like that. So I can fairly breathe on this and allow these profits to get to the targets, so I can have a pretty good Friday. And with that, again, I wanted to give a chance to plug the university, and as well as plug the Discord that I think all you guys who are listening to the sound of my voice right now, go ahead and get the link that's going to be in the Discord. Click that link. Subscribe to our Discord. This is our community help center for traders Discord. It's only $25 a month. Of course, you get the first month for free, right? And with that, you get live trading that you can shadow us Tuesdays through Thursdays, 6 to 9 a.m. Eastern time. A lot of times it might run past. Okay, you still get a little education, even though you might have didn't enroll to the university. You still get some education, announcements. We have merchandise, of course, trade alerts. And I want to give a shout out to our members, our community, our small community that we have now that's constantly growing. Shout out to them, because we did have a very successful week this week with our trade alerts and everything. Those that follow the trade alerts made well past their $25 a month investment. They replenished their $25 investment, as well as made, I'm sure, a profit of 10 to even some of those 20 times the investment for the month. So very beneficial, again, for you to join our Discord. Link will be in the bio. Yes, we have the university. You can sign into that. Very feasible. And peace. Just wanted to give that time. Thank you for your time. And peace.